What's up everybody? Long time no see. In this video, I will be showing you how you can get verified on Roblox in 2026. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out any of my new videos. And I also want to tell you guys that I have been working on a new Roblox game with my co-developers and it's almost ready. We are officially launching our game on June 21st, so make sure you join our Roblox group and Discord server to get early access. Anyways, let's dive in. Before I show you, here's the number of followers I got through this method. Note that this is not the best method and this is purely for entertainment purpose only. Your account might even get banned if Roblox updates TOS and guidelines. Join this game called Hangout Follow. In this game, you need to stay away from keyboard to gain followers. If you click on Open Panel, you can see that you can enter your username and make followers.
Nice.
There is also this PvP zone where you can get kills and earn more followers. OFC, I suck at this game. But anyways, there's also these other things you can do, but I don't recommend it. No wonder why there are many people in the server using their main account. I strictly recommend not doing this, but for the video, let's away from keyboard grind. Although this game once was private, now it's republished back. It's been quite a while. Let's check how many followers we got. Before that, here's my friend, who recently made a sick UGC. The UGC is called Abyss Frosthorns. And of course it's limited and you can resell it marketplace once it goes out of stock. Check out the Roblox group, link in description. And here are the results. After playing for 20 minutes I got around 30 followers. And as you can see, it's all botted, ain't worth it, and you of course ain't getting verified with this. But you can show your skills in making models, working with devs, and maybe do programming and build up legit followers and fan base. And that's it for this video. See you guys in the next video.
Bye.